Hello there. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is one of those yoga when you feel like you don't have enough time. We're going to start this one in a standing position. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to come to the front of the mat. Once you get there, just grounding down through the feet. Taking the gaze up. Roll the shoulder blades down the back body. Let's take a good conscious inhale. And let's sigh it out. And again, inhale. And sigh it out. Beautiful. Inhale those arms up. Take the gaze up. And slice through the sky, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to thighs. Exhale, fold. Inhale, peel all the way up. Go ahead and take the arms up. Exhale, heart center. Again, inhale those arms up. Take the gaze up. And slice through the sky, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the left hand, sweep the right arm up. Back around, right hand comes down, left arm up. Beautiful. Both hands on the mat. We're going to step back into a plank. Take your gaze forward. Shift forward and backwards for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Lower down the knees, the chest and the chin, hugging those elbows into the rib. And cobra. We'll all push up and meet downward dog. Go ahead and take a pedal of those feet to get into the hamstrings. Down the back of the body, pushing through the shoulders here. Head hangs heavy. Next inhale, right leg goes up, three-legged dog. Roll forward, step it in between the hands. Inhale brings us up, high lunge, arms up and overhead. Coming around, Skandasana over here on this right side, hands at heart center. You could also bring them on the mat if this feels better for you. Gaze is up. Beautiful. Over to the left, Skandasana. If you want to keep the hands on the mat, be my guest. Beautiful. Pivoting around. That right hand plants, left arm sweeps up. Revolved, easy twist. Gaze comes down. Left hand plants, step back plank. Vinyasa of choice. Down dog. Left leg sweeps up, three-legged dog. Roll it forward, step it in between the hands. Rise up, high lunge. Beautiful. Skandasana over here on the left. Hands at the heart. All the way over, right side Skandasana. Pivoting around, left hand plants, right arm up. Right hand plants, step back plank, vinyasa of your choice. Down dog. Walk the hands back to the feet. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, we'll peel up. Go and take the arms up. Exhale, heart center. Big step forward with the right foot. Pivot on both of the feet. Coming in for goddess. Once you get here, bend through the knees. Tuck in the tailbone, hands at heart center. And pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hands to the knees. Allow that right shoulder to come towards the midline. Up and let the left come towards the midline. And other side. And one more time to the left. Beautiful. Back to center. Go ahead and stand up. Arms up. Big star. And exhale, fold. Wide-legged forward fold. Walk over to the right. Walk it over to the left. Back to center. We're going to go ahead and pivot that right foot forward. Go ahead and take the right hand towards that right calf, thigh, ankle. Coming in for triangle. Pivoting those feet back around. Coming to left side triangle. Beautiful. Pivoting back around. Bringing the hands to the hips. And slowly peeling up. Step into the middle. Arms up. Tiptoes. Slowly lowering down. No rush. Using the core. All of the calves and the thighs and the glutes here. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Land in the squat. Hands at heart center. Slowly allow the knees to come down. Untuck those toes. We all land in a nice kneeling position. Hands at our heart. Couldn't find a quote that I wanted to fit with this practice, but I found a little saying and I thought it was very appropriate. It says, make yourself a priority. At the end of the day, you are your longest commitment. Mm-hmm. You are your longest commitment. And we close our practice out. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. I know you've got to get on with your day, but thanks for showing up for yourself and making you a priority. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day and I look forward to seeing you back on the mat.